Hi guys! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add Aliexpress products to Ecwid. So without further ado, let's get started. But first, I'm just gonna remind you guys that there is no options or app that can make it possible to automatically import products from Aliexpress to Ecwid. So we have to do it manually. So now first, go to your dashboard. And then you can see at the bottom the product option. Just tap on that. And then you will see right here the sample products. But what you're going to do is to click on the add new button. You can now add product. So first, just select the name. After that, click on add product. And then you can see right here that you can add the price, the image, or the description of the product. So what we're going to do is go to aliexpress.com. From here, you can choose any product that you want to add on your shop. Now you can select the product that you want to add to your shop. You can also copy the description of the product and then you can paste it to the product description on your shop. Now go again to Ecwid and then add the product image. You can now add the product description and then after that, click on Save. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.